Hello and welcome to your channel Excel. So today we are going to discuss Beirut's massive explosion, what caused it, the political stories going around it, and also some important points related to it. But before I begin, please subscribe to the channel. To begin with, we should know where Lebanon is with the help of map. Lebanon is a West Asian nation which shares border with Syria and Israel. The explosion happened in the capital city of Beirut. Two massive explosions took place on 4th August 2020, killing over 100 people and injuring nearly 4,000 people. The explosion happened at a port named Beirut Port Silos. The warehouse here housed 2,750 metric tons of ammonium nitrate, which became the cause of explosion. Ammonium nitrate is odorless crystalline substance which is commonly used in fertilizers. Ammonium is an ion and hence cannot be found in periodic table of Dmitry Mendeleev. Ions are nothing but charged particles which gain or lose electrons. In an atom, the number of electrons and protons are equal, and hence atom as a whole is electrically neutral. So if an atom loses an electron, the number of proton becomes more than the number of electrons. And as proton is positively charged, the charge on atom becomes positive. This positively charged atom is called as cations. And if an atom gains an electron, the charge on atom becomes negative. The negatively charged atom is called as anion. Ammonia is a non-metallic cation consisting of nitrogen and hydrogen. Ionic formula of ammonium nitrate is ammonia is NH4 plus, nitrate is NO3 minus. The positive and negative charge cancel out each other and we get ammonium nitrate which is NH4NO3. Due to the explosion, the president of Lebanon, Michel Aoun, called for a state of emergency for 2 weeks. The reason which ignited ammonium nitrate was basically due to negligence, while some say it was an attack of Hezbollah. Hezbollah is basically a Shia Islamist political party and military group of Lebanon. It is being considered as a terrorist organization by US, Israel, Canada, Arab League and European Union. Hezbollah also attacked Israel in 2006. Hezbollah was founded in 1980s. While investigation is still going on, we cannot say was it negligence or was it an attack which caused the explosion. As at the warehouse, ammonium nitrate was stored for a period of 6 years. It was in 2013 when a ship called Roses docked at the port of Beirut due to some reasons, as the destination of the ship was from Georgia, the former Soviet Republic, to Mozambique. Ammonium nitrate requires high amount of temperature to get ignited. While the explosion of it at Lebanon is not the first case. In India, it was used in 2011 Delhi and Mumbai bomb blast and also in 2013 Hyderabad bomb blast. After 2011 attack, India placed it under special category of explosives, although it is widely used in fertilizers. Now there might be a question in your mind why ammonium nitrate is used in fertilizers. The reason is nitrogen is one of the key ingredients for plant growth. Nitrogen is a constituent of protein. Proteins are made up of amino acids. Proteins are therefore referred to as building blocks of living tissue. Nitrogen constitutes 16% of protein. The air we live in consists of 78% of nitrogen. Though the amount of nitrogen is quite high, it cannot be used directly. It needs fixation. It has to be first converted to ammonia, then nitrate before taken up by plants. Hence, ammonium nitrate is used as fertilizer. During the explosion, it was seen that a large mushroom-shaped cloud rise high in the sky. The mushroom cloud appears when ammonium nitrate explodes and causes a high humid air to rise. It also creates a wave, which was the reason why the windows of the building shattered. Let us briefly know some important points about Lebanon and Mediterranean Sea. Lebanon is formerly known as Republic of Lebanon. It is a West Asian nation which has its capital at Beirut. Lebanon was also referred to as Switzerland of the East, Beirut as Paris of Middle East. Lebanon is bordered by Syria to north and east. To south it is bordered by Israel. To west by Cyprus across Mediterranean Sea. The official language is Arabic. The Lebanon has 54% of Islamic people which are Shia and Sunnis. 41% of Christians having majority of Maronite Christians. And 5% of Druze people which are more or less similar to Islamic people but have some different origin and culture. Lebanon follows a confessional system of distribution of power, which means that the power over here will be decided by the religious basis. It was in 1943 when a national pact took place. It was decided that the president will be a Christian, the prime minister a Sunni Muslim, and the speaker as Shia Muslim. Lebanon had a civil war in the year 1975, which continued till 1990s. In this war, nearly 1,20,000 fatalities occurred. Also, Lebanon had also seen many protests in past like 2005, 11, 2015 Youth Stink movement and also the most recent in 2019. Lebanon Protest 2019. The protest took place on 17th October 2019. It almost cut the communication mediums like roadways and the schools, etc. The main center of the protest was Martyr Square of Beirut. The cause of the protest was taxes on gasoline, tobacco, and also online phone calls like WhatsApp, which costed almost $6. Has always been a zone of contention because of neighboring countries, corruption, misgovernment, and public issues. But yet it is a well developed country. It is part of OIC. OIC was established in 1969 with having headquarters at Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Let us move to another important topic, Mediterranean Sea, as it forms the coastline of Lebanon. Mediterranean Sea is surrounded by land from all the sides. Mediterranean Sea is connected to North Atlantic Ocean through Strait of Gibraltar. The Strait of Gibraltar connects Spain and Morocco. Strait is nothing but a narrow passage which joins two water bodies. Also, Mediterranean Sea is connected with Red Sea through Suez Canal. The difference between strait and canal is that strait is natural while canal is man-made. Mediterranean Sea is also connected to Black Sea by Strait of Bosphorus. It is also the narrowest strait of the world. Mediterranean Sea winds are the reason why India experiences showers in winter season. The term used for this is western disturbance. This is all for today. If you liked the video, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Work hard and stay blessed.